Morning, peeps, morning. Just say Sunday morning to you all. Like today, I get this was a fish them. Salt out. We done one already. And see next one soon finish also. We have finished pick that one here. And then get it clean up. And then we hit the road. We journey and then we start. How we go? Sweet River?
Yes, Sweet River. Linking up with Chef Gear this morning, my people.
Yeah, man, we are link up with Chef Gary again. Once more. At Sweet River. So we're going to do some white rice with soursop fish with red peas and a coconut milk simmer down. I don't know what it takes. Blessed Sunday morning to you all, peeps. One love. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog to you all again.
Yes, man, another beautiful day. Nadisha.
Yeah, man, big up.
Rasta.
Yeah, man. Really, man. We're on the journey. We're going to Sweet River.
It's been a while.
It's been a while, man.
It's been a while with the shoot.
We're going to Sweet River.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I'll give them some stew soursop fish. Red peas cooked on the coconut milk with white rice. Yeah, man.
That's
First in our history. Yeah, man.
And just something simple because I know stew. I'm going to turn the camera so you guys can see. It's just something simple, my people, because I know stew go good with white rice, you know what I mean? But growing up in a Jamaica, I know about soursop fish. It's just like basically curry.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing about it. But we I change all of the aspect when you come on to soursop fish. Because remember, I said we give you guys a 5-year-old soursop fish.
Yeah.
With okra. So
Yeah.
you know, and the thing about cooking and the thing about being a chef, you can never afraid to play with food. Like always try it, always, because that's how you go always get good result. That's how you go always get good recipe out there, so you guys can relate to. So today you know, say that's a simple stew soursop fish.
Yeah.
As the big man said, white rice. Just something simple and easy, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Caribbean Vibes to the flipping world.
I start take breaks, sir.
You know, I tell you, partner heavy. Reach by the location, but we are looking for a good spot. As you know, our sound up here up at top. So we can't play with music. I don't know what it is set already. Good day, man. Do what we have to do.
I'm tired.
No, sir.
Oh.
Come on.
Yo,
Chef Gear there.
walk on some maca tree.
Hey.
Walk on some maca tree a while ago. Yo,
You have to keep all the slippers, bro.
yo, what's the matter where I come from? You couldn't go back to the same place.
Hey, yo, that up. But mosquito like nothing, boy. Could they? My blood clean. Yes, welcome to Fresh Blood. That's the mosquito, them, so we are repellent, man. We are repellent. So, we are trying to find a good location, my people. You know. So Chrissy and Cam is out for this week, and my nephew is actually working now, so he have to work on a Sunday, so I have to take over what the recording now. You know, it's been a journey between me and my nephew fighting with this channel to get it up, which me really appreciate all of the support, because from COVID we have the channel 3 years now. We are shoot video for you guys. So, you know, we play a significant role when it comes on to Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog to grow the channel. So, you know, me really love me never. I don't know how much more I can express gratitude to him for helping me to build this Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog channel. You know, but you know, say you're not going to see him back on the channel, but I just say good.
Yes, guys, we reach for the spot now, so you know what we're going to do. We're going to start the band. Because you know time will run out, but it's better to be late than never. So, catch you in a
Yeah, man, and people, I want to apologize because for the past couple of weeks we haven't been all that present and posting. You know, we're really sorry about that. You know, but we make it up to other people.
Yes,
you know, just certain things is behind our control.
Yeah.
So, you know, whenever time we get, we are make up with all of the time our waste out when it come on to not giving you guys good content. So, you know, we're there, man. Chef Gary passing through today again. French fried chicken foot boss there. Yeah, so I'm going to get one shoes for him foot because the location where they have a lot of maca. So him now come and have no slippers for him foot. So I'm going to get him slippers. So we are going to kick off the ball game right now, so we can do a video. And Chrissy and come soon in our next video. Yeah.
I get me wash me out. Yeah, man, wash me out.
Yeah, cleanliness is godliness, you know? Yeah. That's the sound of the ocean, you know? Me I say ocean, that's the sound of the river. Amazing, you know? Yeah, we all go to ocean, you know? But nature at its best. Yeah, man. Swear. Yeah, and we need to start shoot some video at the beach and all too, you know? Yeah. Come on. Woo! Water feel good, my people, I swear, like Jamaica is so hot right now. We come like we're still in a summer, you know? But me I tell you the time is so hot. So there is no better place me want to be today than at the river. Yeah, my people, so in some cracked pimento seed in the water, you know. Very important to wash the peas. So we are use a pound of peas. Yeah. Now these are kind of broccoli business you are talking about. Yeah? I know what kind of broccoli business now these are the point today. Yeah, so we are adding the peas. We are adding some shredded ginger. And tend to realize whenever time you shred the ginger you get more flavor out of it because you are going to get it if you cook out. So we are use some garlic. We use a whole head of garlic. Yeah, so we are going to allow it to boil up, then add some water for it if you sink the peas, you know. Yeah, big up Tis and Sata. That one boss lady.
Hey guys.
Alright, pa.
Yeah, people.
Sata.
Sata and Tis.
Look like camera, Sata.
It was late. We need to organize one more party again.
Two party promoter them.
Yeah, we need to talk business, you know, Sata. We need to talk business this week. I want to get the thing up because people them a ball about the food mad that day there, you know. We have to talk business. Put the thing out there again, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, people, so we get the yetchak cut up. You already pick out the bone out of it already. And we already show you how we operate upon them.
When you get out the bone out of them.
So you have to, alright, you scald it first, you scald it. And you scald it, you put it back in the fridge. Make it cool, put it back in the fridge.
Yeah.
So when you put it back in the fridge, you kind of build back the skin.
Yeah. And the gum.
And the gum. So you know, you get it more, so when you take out, you know, out back out of the fridge now, it's more easier to pick out the bone them with the pliers.
Yes.
Yeah. You get a better pick.
Yes.
More than when you just boil it and pick it.
Yes.
Some we can boil it and pick it at the same time.
Yeah.
You just get some ice water, throw on it.
Yes.
Throw ice water on it. Yeah, keep it cool so the flesh more, we build back the flesh.
Yeah, man.
So,
I learn something new right here, so because normally when I do it,
yeah.
I just throw me hot water on it and pick it same time.
Yeah.
But you tell me a while ago,
Yeah.
it makes perfect sense.
Yeah, man.
Because when time it get cold, it's more gummy.
Gummy.
And it's harder to tear up.
Alright, and just watch now. When you make it tear up, I see best part. At this part you tear up, the whole of this part.
Yeah, man.
When you pick it and it's too hot, the whole of the gummy part I go gone.
I go gone.
The best part, I fish I go gone.
Yeah, that's why I say make perfect sense.
Yeah, perfect
when
sense.
it's cold,
Yeah.
you see me I say it pick better.
Yeah, build back your body so you know. So
Yeah,
you,
man.
See that?
Never too learn to old.
You know what too old?
Never too old to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
man.
real, man. That's what I think.
And a whole heap of fish.
Yes,
Source
man.
of fish me pick.
Yeah.
And trust me, wait a while ago, make perfect
Yeah,
sense.
man. Me pick one source of fish, man. Now, man, big me pick one of them. And we care about Oggy, man. But you don't pick the source of fish. Yes, man, you pick, man. Because when me care about... See how you give me a hole, I see how me care about Oggy. Yeah, man. So that's why you don't pick.
So in other terms, we recommend that if you are going to pick the source of fish, you scald it, put it back on the fridge, you make the temperature break back cool because the skin is so gummy.
Yeah.
You understand? It actually come like a cow skin. So when the temperature go back on it and it cool, you get a better pick.
Alright, so if you even want to put it back in the fridge at that time, you don't get us buy ice, or you have some ice water.
And just make the
throw
temperature go back on it.
Yeah, and it build back your body slowly. Yeah, man.
How much pitney you get here?
Eh?
How much pitney you get?
You get one, my youth.
That one pitney me get, brother. That one pitney.
Yeah, man. You know what I say, but you know.
Me ask Chris the other day, I couldn't even recognize Chris was a little baby.
But you want one more because to me youth they are foreign. So I want one more out here for your youth out here. You see what I say? But you don't know. Jamaican say, but can fly up on one. So.
Yeah.
A two of you do it.
Yeah, man.
You have to one little last one, man.
When the time come, because it don't make no sense to get the heap of kids them in a poverty. That's where we are trying to fight.
I have to get one boy, I have to make a name.
A girl, me want. One more girl.
No!
One more girl, I want.
Yeah, best.
One more
I
girl.
want girl, I fight the girl.
Yeah,
I start to remember my phone.
no, sir.
Every
What you want, sir?
Me I want boy already want a girl then.
Alright.
Hey, shut up here, girl.
Every time the daughter call me.
When we get boy or girl, we get the pierce, so alright.
Every
Sister,
time
what
the
you
daughter
want?
call me.
First.
She no hang up. I no say boy daddy I love you. Every time she text me and say boy daddy I love you.
Well, it's a baby debating to the people.
Yes, a girl love you.
Different,
from boy I love.
different mood.
Yeah, man, because we don't eat a fish or baby and teeth, but we don't eat a fish. So it's a baby debating day today.
I want next daughter, I want man and call
Man, I want
her.
to start.
Come please, sorry, come please.
Yeah man, alright. So dog, cut up the fish. See it here so? So we are going to season it now. You know, so we're going to use it for blended seasoning. You see me? And personally, I love blended seasoning. Because it's when you blend the seasoning, you blend it with water or blend with the oil. So it soak more in the meat. You know, me? You know that than the powder seasoning. So we're going to add a little blended seasoning first. Alright. Then now we are going to add a little fish seasoning. You know, so we add the fish. We're going to add a little all-purpose and a Maggi we use straight. Maggi are one of the best all-purpose dip on the market right now. Alright. Then we're going to add a little garlic powder. And then we're going to add a little mixed seasoning right here. One thing we always do when I season my meat, I taste it before I put in a pan.
Whole heap of soursop fish to the people.
Whole heap of soursop fish. And I tell you, say, soursop fish, I want the nicest fish in I sea. And I say the hardest part, oh, it smells nice when you start to cook it. The hardest part, a soursop fish. And we pick out the bone, all tight.
After you did that, the mission accomplished. Everything, yeah.
And whenever you get the drift, you know.
No.
Whenever you get the drift,
Yeah.
you're not going to find it hard.
So I always taste it, right? So I always do something like this. And I use my hand to use mix up. I always do something like this. Oh God, nice, nice. The blended seasoning, I blend the seasoning, I taste mostly. And I tell you, it's nice. You see me? So soursop fish, season up now, and ready to go in a pot. You see me? So, this is it, people. This is it. Blended seasoning is one of the most important thing to use and season your meat. Just like how one time I jerk, I use a wet jerk instead of a dry jerk, because when I use the wet jerk, you get a better flavor than when I use powder seasoning and dry seasoning.
Because it got marinate whatever meat you add it on.
Yeah, it soak better in the meat more on the dry season.
Just like even with the ginger, I tend to like shred the ginger. Because like if I beat the ginger and add it, like the ginger now can cook up, but when you shred the ginger, it dissolve out in whatever you use. You get more from it, better flavor. So.
You ready now, dog?
Yeah, we are going to leave you and allow it to marinate.
I'll make it go and marinate.
Yeah, until the peas cook.
Until the peas ready. See that peas are going boil.
Yeah.
The peas so ready.
Yeah.
So your peas, you get the rice pack seasoning. I'll add in some salt. And look how all purpose, Maggi all purpose. Piece of butter. Another piece of bell pepper in it. Time. Big piece of onion. Oh, pepper. You need that story around. Get a little taste. Look at the boil up. When you boil up now, put in the rice. So your peeps, you get in the rice now, because the rice pot boil up, you know. Listen, shoot your chop for days. Can't wait to get in it. Oh my word.
I want to big up everybody who turn out when they come on the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Crazy about. Big up to brother Junior, you know?
Live, just a
Yeah. Call them Zali. Yeah. So many video boss with that. Yeah, man.
everybody does subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah, fully. Yeah.
Right now, I'm not worried about too. I'm hungry from yesterday. I understand how far I'm coming from the taste this thing here. Hurry up with this spot, brother.
Yeah, but it'll come, bro. It'll come.
Dip on the wheel, brother. Dip on the wheel.
Yeah, so as I know people that come on the Caribbean Vibes cooking, you never know how go come through, you know?
Unexpected.
Yeah, man.
You have to expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
If you want the dog and touch it, the pot, and your fingers start to come like you want it.
Caribbean Vibes steam, man. You're out, man.
Yes, please. So we get the coconut grate enough. We're going on the peas now. Chew each chop with white rice, you know? Yeah, man. So get the coconut grate. Natural coconut. No fraud. See that? Great time.
Yeah, my people, so coconut milk we are going to add in right now, so we are going to allow it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. It's going to happen, man. Yeah, get that story, you know. So after 10-15 minutes, we are going to actually start to season it. We are going to add in the ground provisions such as the Irish potato and the carrot. Alright, so the last thing I got add in, the second to last thing I got add in are the soursop fish, because reason being why I got add the soursop fish way down in this, because the soursop fish cost actually halfway cooked. You understand? So you don't want to add it and then they make it mash out. You understand? So that's the reason why. So as you can see, it's coming on good. You can see the richness and the texture of the coconut milk along with the peas, you know, and this is what we want to achieve when it come on to stew soursop fish. And this is the first time I'm actually doing stew soursop fish on the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog channel. Not the first time cooking stew soursop fish, but actually the first time doing it on the channel. Because as I was explaining earlier on, like many persons we know soursop fish, like the curry soursop fish, but soursop fish can diverse in so many ways when it come on to cooking. You know, so the thing about Caribbean Vibes, we don't afraid of twisting food. We don't, you know, it's all about trying new things, putting out new ideas, new way of how Caribbean Vibes cooking, how we cook Jamaican food.
Yeah, people, so we're getting the carrot and the Irish. You know, say carrot and the Irish kind of hard to cook, so we'll get them. You know, peas. Much custard, people. Can't wait to get in a good old stew here, chop, with white rice. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Yeah, people, so you get in the fish now, because right now, so we see tonight, we want to open this dark up. Like rain. And we never take up no canvas. So, get in the sauce of fish now. Finalize up the pot because we don't want real cocoa. Flood out the pot. Check peeps, man. You chop the days. Yeah. Story more.
But overload beef. Okay.
There's a stew here, chag, with red peas, simmer down in a coconut milk. Oh my word! Can't wait to get in it. Where's the tall man?
What me say? Me have to wait because I can't get in it unless it's done.
Alright. So done, man. What you say? So done. Yeah, man, I'll let you make it simmer here down in it.
Yes, so I add a little rum. So we're adding a contrast, you know, when you come on to the stew soursop fish. You know, it's a rum made from sugar cane. So we are building our flavor. So we add some margarine in it. And all of these, even the rum is optional. So you don't have to add the rum in it. You know, but with me now, I like to add a twist to everything when I cook. Yeah. So I add some thyme, add flavor. We're going to add a scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add bell pepper, onion, thyme. And then we're going to allow it to simmer down. In Jamaica, all time people say, simmer down, control your temper, simmer down. So we allow it to cook down a little bit, you know? Yeah. So it comes to perfection. Yeah, I may say big up to the general when it come on to cooking, breeder. Yeah, man, when it come on to cooking, when you hear about station side restaurant, they want to give you the best food. The general come through to them for showing support when you come on to Caribbean Vibes cooking. You know, as I say, when you come on to Caribbean Vibes cooking, you never know who go come through. Like, so many persons have mad love and mad respect for each channel. So them go always come through to come give them support, which I really appreciate the love and the support from everybody who come through when they come on to the channel. Love you guys, much love, much respect.
Yeah, chug. The days. Man, a real big man in that pot, man. That's smart.
Yes, Caribbean Vibes, you know? Yeah, Caribbean Vibes. Excellent.
That's smart.
Yeah, my people, so now hear about breeder restaurant, man, this is where they behind all of those amazing gourmet recipe. You know, so the general come forth, showing respect for the channel, you know?
Yes, Caribbean Vibes. Excellent so far.
Yeah, man. Respect my bro. Respect.
Yeah, man. And we used to cook it in the man. And we put the seed and cook it in.
Yeah, man. Brother Jonah.
Okay.
Yeah, so pot done.
Right now,
Yeah.
Yeah man, Caribbean vibes. Tastes good. Nice food, nice food. True ear chag.
yes, man. Real big man, man.
Definitely.
Station side boss, man.
Definitely.
They flipping around.
Definitely.
Big up.
Don't know. Yeah, money up, money up.
Caribbean vibes.
Caribbean vibes, one night time. Food active.
Yes, man. Real, man. Yeah, peeps, man. I tell us say rain catch me. The peeps will tell me we have to take up the tent car. We come from early and we see still like no rain, never did fall, but we say we are going to look rain come down now, so we are getting the tent tie up. Yeah, man. The real big one, Jonah, I get the tent tie up.
Which is right. We have to do it right thing, you know.
Yes, man.
Because we out here.
Yeah, man, the boss lady there. Kiss ya.
Hi guys.
Yes, man.
Let me not get this now here.
You see the rain a come down. So we get the thing caught out. Yeah, man, the Patland, man. And start I can't wait to get in it, you know, watch out. Yeah. I tell you about share people, but we have to take up the tent because we don't want to wet up. Yes, man. Big man, big up yourself, brother.
Right there, bro.
Respect our manners.
Every time.
Big up. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
No, sir. You people. You know, so we're here.
Real seafood.
First time eating it. Tastes really good, guys. So, just like and subscribe to the channel.
And bro.
Yeah, man, sweet river with it. Forward every Sunday we mash up big seafood.
Yes, man.
Dog, the original chef for a long time, you know, bro.
Respect our manners.
Every time. From school days, man.
Big up.
Right
Ah.
there, so bro.
Big up yourself.
Channel, Caribbean Vibes Vlog.
This.
Yes, it's my first time trying this, guys, and it tastes so wonderful.
Yeah, man. So stew
Caribbean
H-Chag.
cooking vibes.
Stew H-Chag with red peas and white
Yes,
rice.
good. Tastes very good.
Yes, man.
We're done, so we are making baby. We are making baby.
A baby food, boy baby.
I heard baby have chang bag.
Yes, man. We flip the world back.
Yo, we lose that for
What you say, brother? You ready for your own now?
Warm up, you know.
Alright.
Can't wait to get in here.
Alright, bro, G.
Live.
Real.
Big up everybody, whole team.
Yes, man.
Caribbean Vibes.
So you flip it
Yes,
well.
hear it.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks and praise. You know,
Yeah.
can't do it without the words.
Yes, man.
No blessing.
What you say, mama? You can't
Right
wait.
now, we want to get in there, brother. Right?
Alright,
I'm
now come
hungry
share your
and
food
cross
with me.
and I'm not hungry.
Now come share your food with me.
That me a pray.
Yeah, guys, rain a fall. You know we are going to always set up a tent, you know? Yeah, we always set up a tent.
Father God bless
No,
you.
just put it down. We have garbage bag. We have to take up. Yeah, just put it down. We soon take them. Nadisha.
Yeah, man. Right now,
The
guys.
juice still in
The
there.
hungry so till me I tell you, I can't wait for the food, brother.
Take time, no sister. Take time, no man.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
You're hungry till you're hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah, want another great video again. As I was explaining early on, when you come on to cooking, like Caribbean Vibes cooking, we don't be afraid to try new things. You know, you have to play when you come on to cooking as a chef. You can't be afraid
Every
to
time
play.
they eat up curry, we need a different style.
Yeah, different style.
Fire roast now a show, brother.
Yeah, cook down the coconut milk.
Yeah,
but we
brother.
could have used some spinners. You know, but it's optional.
Yeah.
You know, because anything where you add it when you come on to cooking, it's optional. You can subsidize and add different things. So me choose not to add any spinners in it. You understand? Brother dog there.
Yes, man. Uncle Jonah. I'm going to come back. Oh my world. Watch out, because I can't wait to get it right. Watch out. I get it right. Stew ear chug with red peas, coconut milk. Coconut rich in flavor.
That time, Santa bite you use the repellent.
Blended season, you can taste it.
Me have.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. People who tell us I want to hit this number. Stew ear chug with red peas and coconut milk. They've never seen it. I want to hit this. Oh my word. Oh God. China, hurry up and come, boy. We're there when I wait for you, man. The team there. Big up Tristan, this, and
Every
Sasa.
time.
Passing through. Yeah, man. Whole team, man.
My word. Caribbean Vibe Vlog. Salman. Dog. Oh God, we do it again one more time. My beautiful word. This is so lovely.
See that? Read that part of the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that part of the way. Oh man, watch out.
And it's actually the first. A lot of people, everyone on the vlog, it's the first they are actually experiencing
Stew ear chug.
Coconut milk,
Oh
red
my
peas.
word. Yes, everybody. Everybody always curry. Everybody always curry.
But the one and
Stew. Yeah man, wicked. Remember brother? Ah, wicked.
Yeah, we get it.
People. You need to be yaffa.
Remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Beat up the notification bell. And also comment. Remember, all of those count to make the channel grow.
Yes man.
So we need to remember that, okay?
Yeah.
Big up on yourself every time.
Yeah man, respect
Every time.
and the support and the love, you know what I mean?
Every time.
Love conquer all things in our life, my brother.
Yeah, man, I don't tell it, bro.
Yeah, this is what.
Ooh.
I love conquer all things.
Just as
All
This
things.
is the video, Mr. Bird.
What I hate, man.
But you come on, young friend.
Kanye general, Kanye my general. This is can't tell I general. Yeah, more people like so crazy today. Everybody come on the vlog, have so many great times. Great junior.
once more, did it again. Caribbean Vibes cooking. Oh my word. 2 piece. So what's up? Oh my word, I couldn't wait for it. It's going nice, all the last being alright. Big up yourself, Charlie. Did it again. Brother
Appreciate it, bro.
Sister Natasha. Did it again. Father Talman. One more Sunday. Oh my God.
Yeah man, yes guys. We love the support when I do this. And it's a good vibe, you know. We don't know why first about us see this ear chug stew with red peas and coconut milk. It was a great day. I love you. Big up on yourself. All you do, like, share, comment and subscribe to the Caribbean Vibes. Big up on yourself. Love you all. It's a wonderful day.
Yeah man, out you know, one more bomb drop again, you know. First time I see this history I create. Hey, stew ear chug with white rice. I be a history I create. We're not normal around here. Caribbean Vibe cooking vlog, I'm out.